So, thermal expansion, linear expansion. Metals tend to expand under heat because as the temperature increases, the energy and the amplitude of vibrations of the atoms get bigger, and this causes the metals to expand. In this experiment, the goal is to find the coefficient of linear expansion, which we will find after doing the measurements in the experiment. So first, let's show the setup. I have my stove right here, and then I have my metals right here, which is copper, aluminum, brass, and iron. And then I have my caliper, and then I have my lighter to light up the stove. I have my heat resistant gloves, and then I have my temperature thermometer. So how this experiment is going to work is I'm going to first light up the stove, and then, oops, I made a mistake. No problem. So after that, I will put my metals under heat, like that. After some time, I'm going to take them out of the stove, which I will do right now to make the video short. And then I will wear my heat resistant gloves, and then with the other hand I'm going to measure the change in length with my caliper. And before doing all of those things, I will measure the metal heat with my thermometer, which can actually find the object temperature. So before the video I did some measurements, and to not take the video too long, here are some of my measurements. I have aluminum right here, brass, copper, and then iron. The second one is coefficient of linear expansion, which was the goal that I was trying to find. So how did I find it? Is I used the linear thermal expansion formula, which is change in length equals coefficient of linear expansion times starting length times temperature change. With that formula I found the coefficient of linear expansion, which was my goal. So when it comes to errors in this experiment, the errors are inevitable in home standards, because as I took the metal out of the stove, the metals exchange heat with air, which is colder obviously. So the metal got colder, so that caused the metal to shrink. So that caused me to find the wrong change in length measure. So that eventually caused the error in finding the coefficient of linear expansion. So that is the experiment. Thank you.